Hello friends, in this video we'll learn about how to make a customized brush in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start it. First go to new, create a new file and right click in the ellipse tool and choose this and create a shape like this. Keep it black. Now go to brushes, go to new, select add brush, click OK. With pressure, I am using a Wacom One tablet CTL 471 and this digital pen, and here is the tablet. So just click OK. We got it here. Let's test it. Oh, see how beautiful it has. Has come really beautiful. And if we use normal line, this is how it comes. I think it didn't select it. See how it comes. So I repeat what I did. Go to new file, then go to ellipse tool, right click here and get a shape like this. Select it, then go to new and then create it. You will get a brush like this. So this was a small tutorial. This customized brush will be useful in sketching. Wow. So this was a short tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you want to see such kind of small useful tutorials, then please comment below, and please like this video. If you like the content of this channel, please subscribe, and also please use the ring button to see our latest updates. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.